Hey, how you doing? Long time didn't see you. Hopefully everything's going well with you. And more healthy recipe for you. So, how to make the sesame seeds powder. What you can use later on for some sweets or sauces or whatever. Or let's say tahini sauce. What I'll show you next video is how to do it. So you can use the white one or the black sesame seeds. Of course you can do it manually, but we will use the blender. Exactly the same like you can do the powder from another kind of nuts or seeds, whatever. Depends on the taste. And also you can make a really huge variety of different healthy and tasty food. Okay, so everything will take just a couple of minutes. If you want to make your sauce more, powder and sauce is more tastier, you can fry the seeds first. But if you're raw foodist, you want to keep all of the vitamins, so better just keep it raw. You can dry it under the sun and be sure it's dry. Yep. Then you can store the powder in some glass or metal can or maybe wooden one, but be sure it's like no access of oxygen, otherwise make rotten. So let's go. So it took just a couple of minutes and it's ready. We have our powder. So it looks something like that. Powder from black sesame seeds. Or you can mix it up, whatever. And then we can do the sauce from it. Alright, hopefully it was really interesting for you. Later on will be more recipes for sure, so stay tuned.